Most owners never use a quarter of the features they paid for, and some of the most useful ones are hidden in plain sight. After years around these cars, I hate watching owners miss the features that make a Nissan easier, cheaper, and safer to live with. The ones you only appreciate after a curbed wheel or a scare in a car park. So here are 17 hidden Nissan features you will regret not knowing sooner. From handy shortcuts to the technology you paid thousands for and never set up. Stay until number 1 because it changes how you drive every single day. Let us start at 17. Number 17, the power window relearn. A great many Nissan owners think the switch or the motor has failed when the automatic one-touch up and down suddenly stops working and the glass will only move while they hold the button down. 9 times out of 10, nothing is broken at all. The feature has simply lost its memory after a flat battery, a battery change, or a brief loss of power, and it needs teaching its limits again. The fix takes seconds. Lower the window fully and hold the switch down a moment longer, then raise it fully and hold the switch up a moment longer so the system relearns its top and bottom stops. One-touch operation comes straight back. I have watched owners price up a new switch, a motor, even a whole regulator over something that costs nothing and takes under a minute. Learn this once, and a tiny electrical hiccup stops masquerading as an expensive repair. It is the kind of 30-second fix the trade quietly relies on you never discovering, and once you have done it on one window, you will happily do all 4 whenever the battery has been disconnected. Number 16, the reverse tilt-down mirrors. Most drivers think the side mirrors are only good for lane changes, then struggle to see the curb the instant they reverse into a tight bay. On many Nissans, there is a hidden reverse mirror function built into the mirror selector dial. Leave the dial turned to the left or the right mirror, slot the car into reverse, and that mirror automatically tilts down to show you the curb, the white line, and your rear wheel, then returns to normal when you shift out. Turn the dial back to the middle and the feature switches off. It is right there in the manual, and almost nobody uses it. I have seen scraped wheels, cut sidewalls, and curb rash that all came down to a driver simply guessing where the curb was. Set it up once and you place the car perfectly without ever leaning across the cabin. The trick works best if you set the mirror angle you actually want the first time, because the car remembers that downward position and returns to it automatically every single time you select reverse from then on. Number 15, the voice assistant shortcut on the wheel. Most Nissan owners use the steering wheel buttons for volume and skipping tracks, then completely miss the one shortcut that makes the whole system faster and safer. On many models, pressing and holding the talk button for a couple of seconds launches the assistant through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can call someone, send a text, set a destination, or change the music without ever reaching for the screen. I have watched drivers poke through 3 menus to do something this single button starts instantly, and that is exactly the moment their eyes leave the road. The shortcut was built into the wheel for a reason. Learn it once, and the whole infotainment system suddenly feels easier, and you keep both hands where they belong and your eyes forward. It is worth practicing it a few times in the driveway so the timing of the press becomes second nature, because a feature you have to think about is one you will not reach for when the road is busy and you actually need it. Number 14, the engine off power modes from the start button. Most owners think the push-button start does only one job, firing up the engine, and never realize it gives you 2 useful engine off modes as well. Press the button once without your foot on the brake and you get accessory mode. Press it again, still without the brake, and you reach the full-on position. That means you can run the radio, charge a phone, raise and lower the windows, or sit and adjust your settings without ever starting the engine or burning a drop of fuel. I have watched people start the whole car and let it idle in a driveway just to use one feature for 5 minutes. Learn this little sequence once, and your Nissan becomes noticeably easier to live with and quieter and cheaper while you are at it. It is also the polite way to wait for someone with the radio on and the windows working, without sitting there pumping fumes into a car park or burning the very fuel you paid for, simply because nobody ever explained the 2 presses. Number 13, the fuel door release you are looking for in the wrong place. A surprising number of Nissan owners still hunt under the dashboard for an old-fashioned fuel flap lever that simply is not there on their car. On many newer models, there is no lever at all. With the doors unlocked, you just press the rear edge of the fuel flap itself and it pops open. On others, the release is a small button low down in the driver's door area rather than on the floor. I have seen drivers tug at trim panels and decide the release is broken when the answer was 1 finger on the flap the whole time. It sounds almost too simple to mention, but it matters when you are in a hurry at a busy pump, and learning it once turns a confusing fumble into a 2-second job. Check your own car once in the driveway so you know for certain which method yours uses, because the worst possible time to be learning it is at a busy pump with a queue building behind you and a cold wind blowing. Number 12. The automatic headlights and high beam assist you leave switched off. A great many Nissans have a far cleverer lighting system than their owners ever use, because the headlight dial is simply left parked on manual or on the side light setting. Turn it to auto and the car decides for itself when the light is fading and brings the headlights up, so you are never caught driving home at dusk on side lights alone. On models fitted with high beam assist, the system will even raise and drop the main beam for you as other traffic appears, giving you far more light on a dark road without dazzling anyone. I have followed plenty of Nissans at night running on nothing but their daytime lights because the owner never knew. Switch it to auto once and the car quietly looks after one of the most important safety jobs there is. It costs you nothing, it never forgets the way a tired driver does, and on a wet winter evening, it is the difference between being seen clearly and fading into the gloom in a dark car showing only its daytime lights. Number 11. The reversing camera guidelines you never learn to read. Throw a modern Nissan into reverse, and most drivers see the camera but never learn what the colored lines are actually telling them. On many systems, you can switch between fixed guidelines that show your width and predicted path lines that bend with your steering. And those colored bands are not decoration. They mark set distances behind the car, so you can judge exactly how close that wall, post, or trolley really is. I have seen owners scrape a bumper because they watched the picture but ignored the lines completely. And worse, trust the camera as if it sees everything, which it does not. Learn what the guidelines mean. Use your mirrors and your eyes as well, and the car becomes far easier to place in the tightest of spaces. Spend a moment learning which color sits at which distance on your particular system. Because once those bands genuinely mean something to you, reversing by the camera becomes a matter of judgment rather than the nervous guesswork most owners are quietly relying on. Number 10. The drive mode selector that changes the whole car. Many Nissan owners never touch the drive mode control, leaving the car in its standard setting for its entire life and never feeling what else it can do. Depending on the model, you may have Eco, Standard, and Sport settings, and on the four-wheel drive models, a set of terrain or snow modes as well. Eco smooths the throttle and helps your economy on a long commute. Sport sharpens the response and holds the revs when you want the car to feel alive. And the snow or off-road settings genuinely change how the car puts its power down when the surface turns slippery. I have seen owners battle a snowy driveway in the standard setting with no idea a snow mode was a button away. Match the mode to the moment and it is like having several different cars in one. The settings exist precisely so you can suit the car to the conditions instead of accepting one compromise everywhere. And the day you genuinely need that snow or off-road mode is the worst possible day to discover for the first time that it was there all along. Number 9. The walk-away locking built into your intelligent key. A lot of Nissan owners still press the lock button every single time out of habit, never realizing their car can simply lock itself the moment they walk away with the key in their pocket and unlock as they return with a touch of the handle. On many models, this automatic locking can be switched on through the vehicle settings, and once it is, you genuinely stop thinking about it. No more walking back across a car park wondering whether you locked it. I have met owners who never knew the feature existed and others who left it switched off for years. Turn it on once, give it a day to become second nature, and you will wonder how you ever managed the old way, with the quiet reassurance that the car is always locked behind you. It is one of those small conveniences that removes a daily worry, and on the models that offer it, you can usually pair it with the approach lighting and the touch to unlock handles, so the whole business of arriving and leaving simply takes care of itself. It is the sort of quiet convenience that once you have lived with it for a week or two, you would never willingly go back to switching off again. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Number 8. The Easy Fill Tire Alert that almost nobody knows about. This one is pure Nissan genius and the vast majority of owners have no idea it is there. Getting your tire pressures exactly right is one of the cheapest ways to protect your tires, your fuel economy, and your handling, yet most people guess, squinting at a gauge in a cold forecourt. On a huge range of Nissans, you simply start adding air with the engine running, and when the tire reaches the correct pressure, the car flashes its hazard lights and gives a little toot of the horn to tell you to stop. No gauge, no guesswork, no overfilling. I have watched owners drive for years on lazy, underinflated tires, wearing them out early and burning extra fuel, with this brilliant feature sitting unused. Learn it once and perfect pressures become a 60-second job, and on a vehicle that is hard on its tires, that is real money saved across a year. Number 7. The rear automatic braking that watches your blind spot for you. Most owners know their Nissan can warn them, but many never realize that on models fitted with it, the car will actually apply the brakes itself if you are reversing, and it detects something behind you that you have not. Backing out of a driveway or a packed parking space is where some of the most expensive and most heartbreaking low-speed accidents happen, and this is the feature quietly standing guard. It is not a reason to stop looking, of course, you still turn and check properly, but as a last line of defense, it has saved countless bumpers, walls, and far worse. I have seen owners disable it because the warning startled them once. Leave it switched on, understand what it is doing, and let the car add that extra set of eyes every time you reverse, because it asks nothing of you and quietly prevents the kind of accident nobody ever forgets. Number 6. The remote start and preconditioning you are not using. Many Nissan owners think remote start, whether through the intelligent key or the Nissan Connect phone app, is only about warming the engine and miss the part that actually makes it wonderful. On equipped models, the climate system wakes up using the settings the car was left on, so it can be warming a frozen cabin and clearing the glass or cooling a baking interior before you even open the door. The trick is to leave the climate set sensibly when you park, so it does the right thing when it starts. I have watched owners climb into a freezing or roasting car and decide the feature barely works, when the real problem was the settings left behind the night before. Set it up properly and you step into perfect comfort every time, and on a frozen morning, it can be clearing the glass before you have even found your coat. Number 5. The clever cargo systems and power tailgate memory. Nissan has quietly built some genuinely useful practicality into these cars that owners routinely overlook. Several models have an adjustable boot floor or a divide-and-hide cargo system that lets you split the space, hide valuables, or create a flat-load deck, and many never discover it sitting under the boot carpet. On models with a powered tailgate, you can usually set a memory height so a door that would otherwise crash into a low garage ceiling or an awning stops exactly where you tell it to. I have seen owners struggle with the sliding mess of shopping and others clout a low garage with the tailgate, both completely avoidable. Explore what your boot can actually do, and the car becomes far more useful overnight, none of it costing a thing because it was built in and simply waiting to be found. Number 4. Rear door alert, the feature that could save a life. This is one of the most important things Nissan ever built, and one of the least understood. On many models, if you open a rear door before a journey and do not open it again at the end, the car assumes you may have placed something or someone in the back, and reminds you with messages and a distinctive pattern of horn chirps as you walk away. It was designed with one heartbreaking scenario in mind: a child or a pet left behind in a hot car, and it works silently in the background on every single trip. I have heard owners dismiss the chirping as a glitch and go looking for a fault. It is not a fault. Understand what it is telling you. Never ignore it, and let it stand guard over the most precious cargo you will ever carry, because no other feature on this entire list matters more than that one. Number 3. Hill Start Assist and the manual side of the gearbox. Two small features here that owners almost never use on purpose. Hill Start Assist holds the brakes for a moment as you move your foot from brake to accelerator on a slope, so the car does not roll back into whatever is behind you. And most owners never even notice it is there to thank it. And if your Nissan has a manual or sport mode on the gear selector, or paddles behind the wheel, you can hold a lower gear yourself on a long descent to let the engine help slow the car and save your brakes, or simply to take control on a twisting road. I have seen nervous drivers dread every hill start and others ride their brakes down a long grade. Learn these two, and the car feels calmer and more in your control everywhere the road tilts, and both are completely free while making a nervous moment feel entirely ordinary. Number 2. The Intelligent Around View Monitor. This is the feature that makes people gasp the first time they truly understand it, and the one owners underuse the most. On equipped Nissans, 4 cameras stitch together a clear bird's-eye view of the car, from directly above, so you can see exactly where every wall, post, and white line sits as you ease into the tightest space. Better still, on many systems, moving object detection will flag something crossing behind or beside you. A child, a cyclist, a shopping trolley that you might otherwise miss. Most owners only ever glance at the plain rear camera and never switch to the overhead view that would make the whole job effortless. I have watched people inch in and out a dozen times where this view would have parked them first time. Learn to flick to it and tight parking stops being stressful for good, and it is the one feature owners always wish they had learned in their very first week. Number 1. ProPilot Assist, the technology you paid for and never set up. After everything else, this is the big one. The feature that genuinely changes how a Nissan drives and the one the largest number of owners have never properly switched on. On equipped models, ProPilot Assist combines adaptive cruise control that keeps a set distance from the car ahead with active steering assistance that helps keep you centered in your lane, taking an enormous amount of strain out of motorway driving and heavy traffic. It is not self-driving, and you keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road, But used properly, it turns a long, tiring journey into a far calmer one. I have met countless owners who paid for this technology, saw the blue button, and never once learned to use it. Read how your system arms and sets its following distance. Try it on a quiet motorway, and you will discover the single most valuable feature hiding in your Nissan, and every long journey you take from that day on is measurably calmer for it. So there are your 17 hidden Nissan features, the ones you genuinely paid for and were quietly never shown how to use. From the simple window relearn and the reverse tilt-down mirrors, through the easy fill tire alert, the rear automatic braking, the life-saving rear door alert, and the bird's eye around view monitor, right up to ProPilot Assist at number 1, not a single one costs you a penny to start using today. They were all built into the car you already own, waiting for an owner who knew they were there. Pick a few this week, set them up properly, and your Nissan will feel easier, safer, and genuinely smarter to live with, which is exactly what all that engineering was for in the first place. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.